This is the finalization of the Protek 35, iFlight Protek 35 form factor that I built last week. The flight controller in this build is called the Beast F7. Now what you see here is not a GoPro, it's just my own, improvised light. Basically something just to, give me my orientation when I'm doing my line on sight. So I'm gonna plug it in quickly for us to be sure it's all working. All right, it's on. Now, what I need to do, give you a bit of a demo that this thing is working. It's maybe to get my DJI goggles and give you a test. We've got the DJI goggles. This is the DJI goggles. And I've turned on my controller as well. Okay, so now I can arm it, hoping that nothing goes wrong. I believe you can see that. That was say good. So now I'm gonna have to plug the goggles. Let's see what we get. I don't know if you can see through the goggles, but I believe strongly you can see it's working. So let me put the camera in the goggles. So this is what the goggle is saying as we speak. So guys, here we go. This thing is working. I'll turn it on again. Now the next bit will be beta flight. I'm going to plug it into beta flight and I'll give you a demo on what you see in beta flight. Beta flight is basically the platform that you use. Is actually what controls the firmware on the chipset. Well, what I mean by the chipset is the flight controller. Definitely has a chipset on there. It's like a motherboard, a board planner. Call it whatever you want to call it, but this is it. This build is looking clean from scratch. So those of you who would like to have their own build, actually, I don't mean to sound boisterous, but I went online trying to look for, on YouTube, trying to look for any build on iFlight Protek 25 or 35, and I couldn't find anything. All I could see was a pre-built. This is a build from scratch, and I'll put a link from lesson 1 to 11, the whole build on this very upload. So here we go, guys. Do some flips and rolls, and it's working fine. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.